Have you ever been looking for garlic powder in your spice cabinet for an hour, unable to find it? Well, I have. By the time you find it, it's been outdated since 2009. Well, enough is enough. I'm going to make... That wasn't supposed to be on camera. Look at me.
No, don't get changed. I can do this. Go.
Okay. So I did what any reasonable person would do. I fired up my CNC and I made my own spice rack. And it rotates, because I mean, really, if it doesn't rotate, why would you even make one? So it looks like I have everything. Wheels, hangers, holes, legs. What could go wrong? The goal, a rotating spice rack that's so smooth, NASA might call me for engineering tips. A little too much? Maybe, but I don't think so. I like my spices accessible. Even my dog's judging me. Okay, moment of truth. Is this CNC going to do what I tell it to, or is it going to go off the rails somehow? Let's find out. Hey, that actually worked. I should do a dance or something. Let's put this thing together. Okay, so after a minor battle with glue and a brief existential crisis about whether this is all too much for a spice rack, we've made it to the finishing stage. Talk about a challenge trying to put something together. Putting this thing together was like trying to herd a bunch of cats hopped up on catnip. I could have used about 15 more hands trying to assemble this. So I thought maybe you'd like to know this trick. I want to make sure these pegs are lined up when I slide this up here so that I can have these shelves in line. How do you draw a straight line on a post or on a dowel? Any V-wedge will do it. You just need it to be just slightly smaller than the diameter of the thing you're trying to work with. This won't work. It's too big. But this will. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but I got a mark right there I've made on the wheel and on the post. I'm going to take this and set it against it, squeeze it so that it don't move once I have it in line with my mark, which is right there. And then I'm going to just simply scratch a line. If you have the lead out on your pencil, it'll work. Let's try it again. Something like that. Then when I slide this up, I just keep that line in that line and that line and that line, and all lines line up. Behold, the ultimate spinning spice rack. This thing spins better than my decision-making process at the local buffet. Fine, you might not be impressed, But this thing's a game changer, Atlas. So is this an over-engineered solution to a problem? Maybe. Was it worth it? Absolutely. And as you can see, I replaced my wife's oil bottle. Don't forget to check out hinkleshop.com on the web. Check out our website. We'll catch you on the next one.
Hold on, I'll shut that off. Sorry.
You're still recording? Let it record.
You want me to start over?
No, just let it go.
I'm sorry.
No, it's alright. I can do it from there. You ever been looking for some garlic powder in your wine? Okay, stir. Don't stop it. This is how it works.
And action.
You ever been looking for garlic powder in your spice cabinet for hours, only to find that it's been expired since 2009? Well, I have. Forgot my line.
You need the teleprompter.
Okay, now I got it. Need an eraser on there and it didn't stay on there. Are we recording right now?
Mm-hmm.
So, even my dog's judging me. Okay, moment of truth. Is this CNC going to do what I tell it to, or is it going to go off the rails somehow? Let's find out.